Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And today we are actually taking a look at this safety razor. Um, now, um, the brand is, I don't know if I'm going to pronounce this right, but Bulimica. I don't, obviously I'm butchering the name, but clean, safe, convenient. So I'm going to throw the affiliate link on Amazon, and it's essentially, I guess this is like an old school type of razor, which uses razor blades on them. I've never used this before, but it's supposed to be a cleaner shave. Now, obviously, on this channel, we are all about, bettering yourself and improving yourself and making things a little bit easier for you. And I recently posted up a video about grooming and little things that a person can do in terms of better grooming. So I'm not going to tell you that this is the best or only way to do things, but at the same time, it's a different way than your conventional razor that might give you, from what I understand, is supposed to give you less razor bumps um, and whatnot. So, I mean, I'm not going to take this whole thing out right now because I'm not really too familiar with it. Well, I'll take some of it out, but I'm not really too familiar with how it works yet. So I'm really going to have to read the instructions on it. I'm going to throw the affiliate link in the description if I haven't already mentioned that. It was a decent price on it. I'm actually giving it a shot. So I won't tell you that this is necessarily a review of the product in regards to its use, because it is actually my first time opening it. So it's more of an unboxing and me trying to get a feel of going into this territory. Now, I've used regular conventional razors before. Obviously, things like the Gillette ones and whatnot, which you all have used. Um, Now you can use razors like this, or even the standard Gillette ones. It doesn't matter, but you could use razors like this to actually help not only with just your facial hair, but I've used basic razors like that for my hairline as well. Like I mentioned in the previous video in regards to basic grooming tips and little things you could do for yourself at home that prevent you from having to always be going to a barber and spending money. Because like also what we promote on this channel is things like good budgeting and whatnot. So this is a way for you to kind of save money by doing a lot of things at home. Though this is a different take on it. But definitely it's something worth to check out if you're interested in such a product. Just go affiliate link down below. From there, you can end up checking out other types of razors as well. But it was a decent price on it, and check it out. If you put in the comments down below, if you're using a razor like this already, what are the pros? What are the cons? Let the other viewers of the channel know what your experience has been. Do you prefer using, your Gillette types like the Mach 3 and all those other kind of ones, the Fusion and whatnot? Are those more of your liking? How is it in terms of cost for you over the years? How do you feel? Just kind of list all your input on things if you can, just to help the viewers of the channel on different options that they can get into. But this was a quick look at a safety razor of the Bulimica brand. And I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, but there's a quick look at the instructions right there. Yeah, and check it out. All right, you guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video.